How is differentiated instruction used to challenge advanced learners? Have you ever wondered how teachers can keep advanced learners engaged and challenged? Differentiated instruction is a powerful approach that does just that. It tailors the learning experience to meet the unique needs of each student, especially those who are ahead of the curve. So, how does it work for advanced learners? First, differentiated instruction focuses on adjusting the content, process, and products of learning. For advanced learners, this means providing tasks that go beyond the usual curriculum. Instead of just speeding up the pace, teachers create activities that encourage deeper thinking and creativity. For example, rather than asking students to simply recall facts, teachers might challenge them to write alternative endings to stories. They could analyze how social issues impact communities or compare character motivations in literature. These types of assignments requiring higher-order thinking skills, like analysis and evaluation, which are perfect for advanced learners. Another effective strategy is to offer independent or creative work. This allows advanced students to explore topics that interest them personally. They might engage in independent research projects or tackle problem-solving tasks that do not have predetermined solutions. Authentic assignments, like preparing a presentation modeled after TED Talks, can also motivate these learners. This kind of autonomy encourages them to take ownership of their learning. Flexible grouping is also key. Advanced learners can participate in mini-classes or learning stations designed for their readiness level. This way, they can work on more challenging tasks while their classmates focus on different activities. This tiered approach ensures that everyone is learning the same core concept but at varying levels of complexity. Peer teaching is another great method. Advanced learners can reinforce their understanding by explaining concepts to their classmates. Engaging in debates or group discussions on complex topics also helps develop critical thinking and communication skills. In practical terms, teachers can implement various differentiated instruction techniques. They might use task cards with different difficulty levels or set up rotating learning stations with diverse activities. Students could choose how to demonstrate their learning, whether through reports, videos, or artwork. These methods cater to different learning styles and keep advanced learners both engaged and challenged. Overall, differentiated instruction for advanced learners aims to stretch their abilities. It provides meaningful challenges, encourages independent inquiry, and supports various ways of learning and expression. This approach helps advanced students stay motivated and continue to grow intellectually.